Hey, super kids, have you ever made a funny sound that goes hic? It's like a tiny little jump inside your body that you can't stop. Today we're going on an amazing adventure to discover why we get those funny little hiccups. Get ready for some cool science fun and learn about your awesome body. Hiccups might feel a bit silly, but they're super common. Almost everyone gets them, even grown-ups and sometimes even tiny babies. It's your body's way of saying something interesting is happening inside. We're going to explore the mystery of these little hic sounds together. Another thing that can make your diaphragm twitch are fizzy drinks like sparkling juice. Those tiny bubbles are so much fun to drink, but they can also make your tummy a bit bubbly. These bubbles can also make your amazing diaphragm jump. Did you know that? Subscribe for more,